everyone, Mr. King here to run you through today's PE remote learning session. Your next activity for today is an activity I like to call laundry, basket, ball. Before you can start, you will need to find some equipment from around your house. The items you will need to find are one laundry basket, so I've got my laundry basket here today. One ball, so you can use a stress ball, a tennis ball. A ball of socks is a really good idea, that's the ball I'm going to use today. You need to find one chair from around your house, one family member to play with, so Jordan's going to play with me today. You need to find 9 objects to use as markers, so I'm going to use some shoes from around my house today, and 1 timer. So today, I'm going to use my iPad to time, but a phone or a watch will do the job as well. Alright guys, I'm going to give you some time now to go find your equipment. Off you go. Now that you've found your equipment from around your house, you now need to find a space around your house to play this activity. An area such as your backyard or your lounge room is a perfect space. Alright guys, I'm going to give you some time now to work out where you would like to play this activity. Off you go. Now it's time to set up the activity. To set up your activity, what you will need to do first is, at one end of your space, you will place your laundry basket on top of your chair, as I've done so here. Next to it, you might put your timer device so that you can keep track of your time throughout the activity. Then, using your 9 objects that you're using as markers today, you're going to set up 3 different lines as I've done so here. Within each line, you'll have 3 markers. Your first line, you'll have 1 to 2 meters away from the basket. Then your other 2 lines have anywhere from 1 to 2 meters away. It's totally up to you guys today. For this game, you will need to assign points to each line. So today, I'm going to assign 1 point to line 1, 2 points to line 2, and 3 points to line 3. Really important when you set up this activity that your middle marker is in line with the basket, with your other 2 markers either side, about half a meter to a meter away from each other. Alright guys, I'm going to give you some time now to set up your activity. Off you go. Alright guys, we are now ready to play some laundry, basket, ball. Before you can start, you will need to decide which family member will be the shooter to start and which family member will be the timer. So today, I'm going to be our shooter for my family first, and Jordan's going to do the timing. Alright guys, now you need to decide who's going to be your shooter and who's going to be your timer. Off you go. Once you have decided who the shooter will be and who the timer will be, the shooter will then pick a marker to shoot from. When they are ready, the person timing will say, ready, set, go. On go. The shooter will have 2 minutes to try and score as many points as they can in that time. During the time, they can pick any marker to shoot from. When shooting in this game, the shooter can shoot either underarm or overarm. If you are shooting overarm, try and make it look like you would in basketball or in netball. It is totally up to you guys. During the game, the shooter cannot take more than 1 shot from the same spot. So for instance, if I shot from this spot, my next shot, I must pick a different marker. So I might go to this marker, my next shot. During the game, don't forget each line is worth a certain amount of points. So don't forget, if you get it in from line 1, you get 1 point. Get it in from line 2, you get 2 points. And if you get it in from line 3, you get 3 points. After the 2 minutes, the shooter will work out how many points they have scored and will swap over with the family member they are playing with. An app called Scoreboard Scorekeeper is an awesome app to use during this game to keep track of time, but also keep track of score within the one app. Alright guys, I think it's time to check out how laundry, basket, ball works. Alright, are you ready, Jordan?
Yes.
Cool, I'm ready. Let me know when you're ready for me to start.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
1. Let's go. 2, 3. 3. Oh, 6. 6. 7, 8. 9. Uh-oh! 9. Let's try the water. 12, yes. 12. 13. Let's get a couple easy ones. 14. 15.
1 minute.
Thanks, Jordan. 15. 16, 17. 18. Oh, 20. 20. 22. 22. 23. 35 seconds. Oh, 26. Oh no. 6. How long left, Jordan?
20 seconds.
28. 8. Oh no. 8.
10 seconds.
30. Oh no. Time. Oh, that was tiring, Jordan. Alright guys, your score to beat at home is 30. Jordan, your score is to beat is 30. Good luck, Jordan. There's a ball. Your turn now. Thanks for that awesome demonstration, Mr. King. Jordan and I would now like you to play 5 rounds with your families, so which family member can score the most points. During the game, like I said earlier, feel free to experiment with the rules. So you might shoot from further back, you might use a different ball. It's totally up to you guys. If anyone out there would like to challenge or extend themselves, if you have your own basketball or netball ring, feel free to play the same activity, but use your own basketball or netball ring. It's totally up to you guys. Good luck guys, and have some fun.